Getting a professional roof inspection before that future home is officially yours will save you a lot of time and costly repairs down the road. A little money spent on regular inspections will pay off. A professional roof inspection can help you identify any potential issues with the home's roof before it is officially yours. This way, you will be able to make an informed decision about whether or not to purchase the property, and if so, what repairs may need to be made in order for your new home's roofing system to remain safe and secure. We can also provide advice on how best to maintain your new roof over time, helping ensure that its lifespan is maximized while avoiding costly repair bills down the road. Maintaining your roof is an important part of ensuring that it lasts for years to come. Regular inspections and maintenance can help you avoid costly repairs and extend the life of your roof. Here are some tips for keeping your rooftop in top condition. 1. Regularly inspect your roof for any signs of damage or wear. Look for cracks, loose shingles, or other signs of damage. If you notice any of these issues, contact J.K. Johns Roofing to assess the damage and recommend the best course of action. 2. Clean your roof regularly to remove debris and dirt that can cause damage over time. 3. Check the flashing and sealants around your roof to make sure they are in good condition. 4. Make sure your gutters and downspouts are clear of debris and in good condition. 5. Check for any signs of water damage, such as mold or mildew. 6. Make sure your rooftop is properly ventilated to prevent moisture buildup. 7. Have us inspect your roof at least once a year to ensure that it is in good condition. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your roof lasts for years to come. If you have any questions or concerns about the condition of your roof, contact us for advice. 352-754-8600